Hi guys, Tops here from Just One For All. I need to build a PC, a good editing PC, but I'm not rich. I have to work extremely hard, and so I'm going to build a budget PC, reasonably budget for myself. And while doing it, all the research and information I found out, I'm going to show you guys how you can save even more. We're talking in the region of 600, 700 pounds. So the first part, I'm going to show you my computer and the parts I've bought. And then I'm going to show you, for example, this is a GTX 1050 Ti. You don't need one that powerful. This is a 4GB version. You could easily go for a 2GB version and doesn't have to be Ti and so on. Now I've gone for the 500GB. Now this will have the operating software, and my movie files that I want to edit will go straight into there. And then as I'm working with Filmora, it will have quick access and it will help me out. As my backup drives, I've gone for two brand new 1TB SATA drives. Just make sure they're 7200 RPM, and I've gone for Vengeance LPX DDR4 3000 GHz and two sticks of 8GB, so total 16GB. There is lots of GPUs out there, guys, you could use for editing. Ideally anything 2 gig is actually enough. With the 6th generation CPUs, processors, you want to use Z170's motherboard. I have gone for the MSI Z170A Tomahawk. So we've got here TSU, your power supply unit. Again, after a certain amount of reviews, 500 is plenty, guys. 350 is actually enough, but you always go a little bit more because you never know in the future. And the cooling Hyper 212 Evo. If you're not sure about which PSU to use, go to msi.com and they've got a brilliant little app-like page. Just click the components you're putting in. For example, one graphics card, 16GB of RAM, Z170 motherboard, and so on. And it will total up and show you on the right hand corner how much PSU to go. Where's the name? There we are. So 100R Silent Edition, Corsair Carbide series. They have their own channel, guys, so check it out. Seems to be good info. So here is the machine, guys, all done. First boot I'm about to do. I know the lighting is not great in this room. That's the reason why I don't record. Now I'm not gonna go for an optical drive on this machine because I have this really good Blu-ray disc already, external. I'm just gonna use this to one time put Windows 10 on here. Together, let's turn it on. So the PSU switches there. Is always worrying, even though for 15 years I've been building, you just have this in your mind that it might just go pop. So press the power button. Nice. Some LEDs there. Everything just hooking up. All started fine. And here it is, first booting up and just coming along really nicely. So it's gone. I could not have been more happy with it. It was really easy. The build quality is fantastic. So I know some people on Amazon website have commented, oh, the case is this and that, but I have absolutely no complaints with the actual case. Now guys, I'm going to give you quick look inside here. Now, don't comment on my cable management because no one's going to be looking into my case and I'm not going to have it on display. The temperature of the CPU has not gone above 32 and the case temperature inside has not gone above 24. It's got a fan control here. The case fans, this one and the front fan to control. I've got it on the lowest setting and it's absolutely fine. It's quiet and the temperature is absolutely fine at the moment in the case and everything else. So I've left it there. It's got 3 settings there: low, medium and high. Really happy with this build. Could not have asked for more and saved a lot of money in this build and got myself something that's going to last me a good few years, and I'm happy with the components and I don't have to put up with, you know, second rated components or something a little bit under par.